How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Mk4 DIY video. Today we're going to be figuring out why this window isn't going down. As you can see, the motor is working but the window isn't going down, so I suspect that the window actually jumped off the track. So let's strip it down and see what we're working with. Right, so tools we're going to need: T25 Torx, star screwdriver, flat trim removal tool, a ratchet with a number 10 socket on it. Alright, so first up, T25. Next up, we need to remove this trim to reveal some screws behind here. Alright, so take a trim tool, push it in there, release the clips, and then from under, and then just wiggle and pull out. Right, so once the handle is off, you take out the screw from here, take the screw in here. Right, so once you got your handle cover out and unscrewed, you got to release these little clips and tabs around the door pad. So you just put your hand under, get a little grip, and just start pulling out. Right, so once you unclipped everything, you just pull up and then just wiggle it out. Right, so once you got it out, you're gonna unclip the tweeter, the switch, the door lever, right, so once you unclip everything, this is what you got. Now you take your 10mm and you undo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this should be able to come out. Alright, forgot to mention that you have to take these 3 bolts out. This is the window mechanism, the motor actually, and once you take this out, you can undo your 10s all around and then it'll pop off. So to take it out, you got to use a T30. So let me get a better view on this. Just as I suspected, the window has jumped off the track. So as you can see, the window sits in here and it gets clamped down, and that makes it go up and down. So we need to just get the window back in there, and then you can move freely again. Right, so this little tab slipped off, that fits in here, and this goes completely through to hold it in place. Right, so this little piece is a two piece, so you just push it out there, and as you can see, it has a little space on it, so it fits into each other and it keeps it tight. Alright, so now that we know what went wrong with the window, we can close this all back out, connect the door pad back on, so we got the switch, bring this window down to the inspection hole, and the clip will come down as well, and we can screw it back on, and we should have full mobility of our window thereafter. Window switch back up. Why is it not going in? Okay. Bring. Alright, I see that blue track is down here, and you can see the hole is at the center there. So we need to bring the window, you'll see it. Let me just get a flash. Right now you can see the holes are lining up perfectly. Right, so you gotta put this in the hole there. So just grab a plier, twist it around in there. As you can see, it's now in. Alright, so I successfully got both parts in at this time. Let's put a light there. As you can see, both parts are in. So now just take this flathead screwdriver, just mash them both up inside, and there you have it. It's in. Alright, so just connect the switch back up. Now, hey, it works. Alright, now to get everything connected again, connect the speaker. Alright, now for the door pull part, try and get a better view of that. You get the hook and hook it back in. Then you see this little circular part here goes inside there, so you gotta pull it till it lines up, and then it's in. Ooh, a little bit hard to do it with the camera. When you're doing it, don't forget to put your button back in, otherwise you're not gonna have a button. Put it back there. You just put that back in place, push that all the way down, bang all the clips back. Right, and then just screw in. Right, screw it. Don't forget to put your screws back at the bottom. Remember, one goes there, and the other under here. Get your handle, put it, clip it back in, and you're done.